Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Wolf Partner app. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. As you can see, I'm on their official website. So I'm going to click on apply now to become my own boss. After that, let's select this to English real quickly. And it's asking me if I'm ready. So you're going to put in your name, your email, whatever languages you speak, your date of birth and everything, your delivery vehicle. If you have a courier partner referral code, that one. And then it's going to ask you to verify your account. And then for introduction, and then you need to download the app and all of the contract you have to sign and all of the equipments that you need. Once you've downloaded the app will send you a notification each time you have to make a delivery, and it will give you a guideline of what to do, and just follow that, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.